This is the A minor chord. Hey guys, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today we'll be learning the A minor chord. And to form this chord, you'll need to put your second finger on the second fret of the D string, your ring finger right below that on the second fret of the G, and your first finger will go to the first fret of the B string. You'll be strumming your strings from the A string down. Now to make sure your chord is ringing out clearly, you'll want to pluck each string one by one. Make sure that there's no fret buzz or deadened notes. And if you hear anything wrong, then you want to check your fingers and make sure they're arched and none of your fingers are touching any adjacent strings, and that you're as far up towards the middle fret as possible. Now to learn this chord shape, let's use the chord on and off technique. So that's where you'll be forming the chord. Strum it once, take off your fingers, put them back on. So chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on. The best way to learn a chord is always to use it, so let's make some music with the A minor. We'll use it within the context of a chord progression, the classic 1-4-5 chord progression. So the 1 chord will be the A minor, since we're in the key of A minor. The 4 chord will be the D minor. And the 5 chord will be the E minor. And the strumming pattern will be the classic Now let's have a go at that chord progression. And that's how you play the A minor chord.